Hi, I'm Bon Jones.
Hey Bon, what's so cool about manufacturing?
We're getting there. And I don't know a lot about trains, but this is indeed a train. Cam Innovations helps us go from this to this.
Like you do, you start with this idea and then you watch it come together. Now here, at Hershey's, you get to watch a chocolate kiss made in seconds. Here you get to spend months watching people put it together. And then you bring a customer in, he's like so excited because it just started as an idea.
So we've got machines in the field that are in use for decades. And then we always try to give our customers the option to upgrade and retrofit kind of the latest technology.
Cam Innovation creates machines that make and repair rotors like this.
Another process that speeds it along, gives better quality, and takes stress off the operator. So the whole reason for automation.
Bond back again. Companies use Cam's machines to build rotors for trains, electric wind turbines, and much more. Man, I love trains. In the end, Cam Innovation produces custom machines for industries around the world. Guys, is that a train? Yes, Bond, that's a train. Essentially, Cam helps keep the world spinning.
That's what's cool about manufacturing, making something.